Okay, this is your update weather. We're doing this on the 27th, which is a Tuesday around 7:30. We have very warm temperatures came in and really heated up the air. Some places got into the 90s. We have some thunderstorms that are working their way down from the north. It's not a great line, but it does hold together. This is around 9 o'clock tonight. It's at near Williamsport, and it's working its way southeastward. And there's another line up here if you look, but we're kind of going to go a little bit off track here. This shows it about midnight. You can see it's getting down here to the Reading and the Allentown areas next. It's going through Hazleton, Mount Pocono, out that way, and then out here towards Lebanon, and it'll drop down. This rain up here, which is a little bit more, a little stronger, is working its way across Lake Erie, and it's gonna. This one here, as you can see, the one it kind of dies out. That's in eastern PA to nothing around 3 a.m. And then here's your line up here coming in Lake Erie off of Lake Erie into Erie, PA, and working its way down towards Pittsburgh. But then you can see that line kind of dies out, and so around 9 o'clock in the morning, we're left with a couple of showers to the north, and that's about it. And then as we get later on in the day, um, things don't get fired up. On Thursday, this is around midnight, you might have one down here by Philly and a little bit out south of Pittsburgh, and they kind of go. But then, as you can see, about 4 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday night into Thursday, you got some thunderstorms breaking out here in central PA, and working its way, and those will hold together, but kind of no direct line. This is 7 a.m. on Thursday, and you can see it as there's some showers. And again, Thursday afternoon, thunderstorms break out across the state, but no direct line. This is around 7 o'clock Thursday evening, and you can see there's some thunderstorms here from Reading, Allentown to northwest towards Williamsport, out that way. And they kind of hold together, so there could be some. They train over the same area, and that's the thing you got to worry about. This is around 9 o'clock Thursday night at 9, and you can see it. It's still going on. It hasn't disappeared, and it just seems to be hanging around midnight Thursday into Friday, and it's hanging on pretty good here. So there could be some heavier rains. Precipitation totals. Let's see if I can bring that up. 24-hour total. Let's see here. There you go. See how it trains over here? So you could have an area, depending on where this lines up, that could get a couple of inches of rain. So there could be a little flash flooding in this area here where it seems to want to train over the same area over and over again. So this is a 24-hour total for Thursday during the day. So that's what you have there. We add this all up, and you can see it's pretty close to being the same. Just you can see over here, 2-day total. You got some out here in Western PA. Okay, so that's what we got there. So let's look at our temperatures. Temperature wise, this is around 8 o'clock this evening. Really warm out here in Western PA. Temperatures are in the mid 80s there. Towards Eastern PA, here's where the rain showers are at up here. So temperatures have dropped into the upper 60s. But to the east, basically temperatures in the 70s, just around Philadelphia where they reach up into the lower 80s. And then you can see the temperatures overnight. I mean, you can literally see the rain. Watch through here, you'll see this progress, and then you'll see the rain over here by Erie coming down. You can see almost like a line. This takes you to around 6 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday, and you can see temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s across the state, across Jersey, across Delaware. It's all about the same. And then as we get through the daylight hours, heat it really tries to heat up. You can see you got 90s down here in Jersey, really warm at the shore if you plan on going to the shore tomorrow. Even down here in Delaware, very warm, upper mid 90s down there. Temperatures in south central part of the state, they can climb into the 90s from Pittsburgh or from Harrisburg south, and then out here by Pittsburgh could get to about 90 degrees during the day tomorrow, and then they cool off overnight. This takes you to around 6 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Temperatures have dropped into the 50s to the north, and into the Poconos and elsewhere, temperatures 60s to around 70. And then during the day on Thursday, um, the heat tries to get in near southwestern PA towards Pittsburgh into the 80s, but the rest of the state stays in the 60s and 70s. So a cooler day on Thursday. And then on as we move this out Thursday night into Friday morning, that's about as far as we can go. You can see temperatures in the east 50s and 60s, and then out towards Pittsburgh, temperatures right around 70. Okay, that's your weather for the next few days, and I guess we'll sneak and peek again at the weekend and see what we get for Labor Day weekend tomorrow.